Okay, this is my follow-up video to the last one that I posted on 4 great questions to get someone into a spiritual conversation. Then you lead them to certain scriptures and you have them read the passage and tell you what it means. And here are the scriptures. Romans 3:23, all have sinned. Romans 6:23, the wages of sin is death. John 3:3, you must be born again. And then you can ask them, why did Jesus come to die? John 14:6, I am the way, the truth, and the life. Romans 10:9 through 11, if you confess others, you will be saved. 2 Corinthians 5:15, no longer live for themselves, Paul talks about. And then Revelation 3:20, I stand at the door and knock. All of these scriptures were taken from this book and the questions from William Fay's book, Share Jesus Without Fear. Encourage you to use those passages, maybe have them saved on your phone as screenshots, to just challenge people to read the Word of God and tell you what it means and get their response. God's blessings on your sharing of your faith.